Okay guys, it's here. We're gonna set it up. Oops. Box number 1. Box number 2. And 3. Yeah. So we're gonna be getting rid of this old thing with the new power rack. So guys, this is the Titan power rack. Unleash the Titan. So guys, if you look at the packaging, it looks really good. Really good packaging. Titan has improved on that, so that's a plus. Plus the price has stayed relatively cheap compared to the big names, so really happy about that. So we're gonna be setting this up later today, so stay tuned for that. And always, let's go!
Later.
Seriously, is that it?
Yeah.
You ready to build the squat rack? Yeah? Yeah.
Okay, we've hit a major problem. We've got the whole thing set up, but we just realized that the Titan logo is going to be on the inside of the rack, not the outside. And we did that dumb mistake on both of them, so
You gotta be kidding me.
we're gonna have to take them off and flip them over. This is really gonna suck.
So guys, we got the finished product. Here it is, the power rack. So guys, this is a pretty good rack. Out of 1 out of 10, I'm gonna rate it a 9.5. This is a good rack. It is pretty sturdy. The only part it's not sturdy is side to side. It has a side to side wobble a little bit, but that's not that big of a deal because you can bolt it. This is not bolted down. So, and they have the weight plates, so I don't I don't feel like it's gonna go anywhere, but the forward and back moves, solid. You know, you could do a lot of dynamic stuff on it. It's not going anywhere. You know, you can do. I think you could do muscle ups on it. So this is a good rack. Another part is I've seen that Titan has improved on their weldings and stuff. And if you watch like older videos of Titan, the Titan T3 rack, the welding was not very good. The only part I dislike about it is that instead of using a actual engraving, they used a sticker. So it's a pretty cool sticker, but as you can see, it's like smudged right
Yeah,
here.
we smudged it during that mishap with the building of the rack, but
Yeah,
so what?
but yeah, it's pretty nice. I do like that they have that thick pull-up bar feature, because I mean, this is gonna be good for getting good grip strength and stuff. So that's pretty cool. By the way, guys, this is a 9 foot, or was it 91 inches? So this is a 91-inch rack, and it's also 36 inches deep. So this is the biggest size you can get. So if you're gonna get like 24, this is gonna be like this much smaller. If you're gonna get the 80, it's gonna be like pretty short. You know, it's kind of gonna be like where my head is. I am actually 6'1", and as you can see, I can grab the rack and my feet still touch the ground. So if you are taller, then you definitely gonna want to get the 91-inch rack, because at 81, that one's gonna be like pretty short. But yeah, my opinion, guys, this is a good rack. I mean, Titan has just released the color of this rack, and that's the reason why I bought this rack. So that's really cool. And it's also Titan's telling the world that, hey, they're actually getting better. Their equipment is getting better and stuff. I mean, just watch the old videos. I mean,
The packaging sucked.
yeah, the
welds
packaging
sucked.
sucked. Yeah, the welds suck, and this is good, and the price is low compared to the other companies. So Titan is doing a really good job. They're actually getting higher quality, and they're just good price. It's good price. So guys, this is a great rack.
Who would you recommend it to? Like, would you recommend it to average person?
I recommend it, I mean, to everyone. I mean, this has like 1,000-pound capacity on it. I mean, if you're squatting more than 1,000 pounds, I mean, okay, you gotta get a bigger rack, but I don't think anybody's really squatting that much. So, I mean, like power lifters, strongmen, and CrossFitters, this is gonna be a good rack to start out with. I know you could probably get thicker, more stable, it doesn't have any wobble, but I mean, the price point's great. So guys, this is what I think about it. Make sure to like and tell people about our videos, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks.